This is Newport News TV.
Newport News Police need your help in solving 2 robberies from persons and bring the guilty to justice. On July 17, 2011, at about 10 p.m., a 40-year-old Newport News man was in the first block of Stratford Road unloading groceries from his car when he was approached from behind by 2 unknown men. The suspects placed the gun to the back of the victim's neck and removed his cell phone and wallet before leaving in the vehicle. Approximately 25 minutes later, in the first block of Middlesex Road, a 26-year-old man was approached by 2 unknown men as he drove up to the residence. One of the suspects detained him at gunpoint while the other removed property from the car, including a laptop computer, an iPod, a wallet, and other personal items. The suspects then got into a nearby waiting car that was driven by a third person. The car is described as being a black 4-door car with a square back. The suspect with the gun is described as a black male, 23 to 25 years old, with a goatee, about 6'1" in height, with a slim build, short crop hair, and wearing black clothing. The second suspect is described as a black male with short crop hair. Detectives believe these 2 cases may be related and are asking anyone with information to call the crime line at 1-888-LOCK-YOU-UP. Remember, your call is confidential, you can earn a cash reward of up to $1,000, and you never have to testify in court. For the Newport News Crime Line, this is Detective Randy Rajkumar.